Hi my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can achieve an attractive and a glowing fair skin. And I'll also be sharing with you fair skin complexion kit, that is certain skincare products that will really help you to glow your fair skin. Now, before we move into the complexion kits, let's quickly go through some skincare tips that is very important that you know. Now, when it comes to achieving a healthy and an attractive fair skin, it is very important that you go for products that works well for your skin type and your skin concern. It is very important. Notice I said skin type and skin concern. Now, why did I say you need products that will work well for your skin type? The reason why I said it is because if you make use of products that are not good for your skin type, take for example, you have a sensitive skin and then you went ahead to make use of a product that is not good for your sensitive skin type. When you make use of this type of products, you're going to increase irritation on your fair skin. And when your skin is irritated, that is when the skin is irritated, it leads to excess melanin production. And as we all know that melanin is the pigment that is responsible for skin coloring, that is for dark skin. So when your skin produces excess melanin, it will not lead to dark spots, hyperpigmentation on even fair skin. So have you seen the reason why picking a skincare product that is good for your skin type, it is very important. So I just want to give you a little bit tip or a good product you can use when you have a sensitive skin. So you can make use of aloe vera. Okay, so you use aloe vera on your skin. Let's say your skin is reacting to certain skincare products, you can just make use of aloe vera on your skin. That will help you reduce the excess sensitivity of your skin from that skincare product. And you know, when that excess sensitivity is reduced, there will not be any situation of excess melanin production. So yes, making use of aloe vera is very nice. And then the second tip is, you see, sunscreen. If you have a fair skin, you want to have a glowing fair skin, sunscreen is a must. Like whether you have a fair skin or you don't have a fair skin, sunscreen is a big must. Okay, it's a very big must. Like, the reason why I'm actually saying this is because, take for example, now we fair ladies, when we expose ourselves to the sunlight, you know, when the sun hits on our skin, any little sun damage, it shows very fast compared to people that has dark skin. That is, if let's say sun damages any part of their skin, it is not really going to show so much compared to fair skin. Of course, if you have a dark skin, please make use of a sunscreen. I'm not saying because you have a dark skin you should not use a sunscreen. Please, the sunscreen is very important. But what I'm trying to say is, you know, we fair ladies, like when the sun hits on our skin, like that mark, that sun damage, it is going to be so visible. And you know the worst part of everything, when that sun damage, like as it's so visible on the skin, it will not be so hard for us to get rid of it. So have you seen the reason why, as a fair skin person, whether a girl or a guy, it is very important that you make use of sunscreen, because you don't want the sun to damage your fair and your beautiful fair skin. Because if the sun damage your beautiful fair skin, you will spend a lot of money picking different type of skincare product that will be good for your skin type, and at the same time help you to get rid of a dark skin, that is, help you to get rid of hyperpigmentation. So which means making use of a sunscreen is very important if you know you want to achieve a healthy and a glowing fair skin. Now, the next skincare tip is that when you have a fair skin, in your skincare routine, I will actually advise you to incorporate brightening products. Yes, brightening product is very important for people that has fair skin. When I'm talking about brightening products, take for example ingredients like vitamin C, niacinamide, we have licorice extract, we also have alpha arbutin, etc. Like, there are a lot of brightening ingredients, but I'm just mentioning this so you have an idea of what I'm trying to talk about. Now, you need to note that I said brightening. Okay, I did not say you should start making use of a whitening product, a bleaching product. I am not advising you to do that. As a matter of fact, if you make use of a bleaching product, if you have a fair skin, You think you're doing your fair skin good, but you end up damaging your fair skin. Do you know how your fair skin will be damaged? When you're using bleaching products on your fair skin, you begin to develop dark knuckles, you begin to develop green veins, and then your skin will be looking so uneven and so dull. And the worst part of it is, if you dare stop using that bleaching product, your skin will be so damaged and it will be very, very difficult. Like, I'm not even going to lie, repairing a bleached skin, it is very difficult. It takes time, so it will be very difficult for you to get rid of that bleached skin, repair that bleached skin, and come back to your natural fair skin. So that's the reason why I said brightening products. Now, why do I put emphasis on brightening products? So brightening products, it will help you to brighten your skin. It will help you to even out, bring out your natural skin complexion. Brightening products is good for both dark skin and fair skin. The reason why is because, take for example, if you have a fair skin, when you make use of products that are brightening, it will help you bring out that your natural fair skin complexion. It will help you even out your natural fair skin complexion. So if you want your fair skin to be evened out, and looking brighter, then you need to incorporate brightening products. Note, I said brightening products. So brightening products is very important in your skincare routine if you know you want a healthy and a glowing fair skin. Now, another skincare tip, which is the fourth skincare tip, and that has to do with exfoliation. You need to exfoliate your skin regularly. Like, exfoliating the skin regularly is very nice. It's very important. Like, for you to exfoliate your skin, you can exfoliate your skin, let's say 2 to 3 times in a week, depending on how sensitive your skin is. Let's say if your skin is extremely sensitive, you can exfoliate your skin once in a week. Just understand how your skin is actually sensitive, to exfoliating products that you're making use of. Now, exfoliating your skin for a fair skin person is very important, because when you exfoliate your skin, it will help you get rid of dead skin cells. When it gets rid of those dead skin cells on the surface of your skin, it will help you reveal a more healthier and a brighter skin. Yes, when you're always exfoliating your skin, I'm not saying overdoing it, like I said, 2 to 3 times in a week. So when you exfoliate your skin regularly, it will give you a brighter skin. Okay, it will also help your other skincare products to absorb well into your skin and to work well on your skin. So exfoliating your skin is very, very important. Now, let's quickly come into the lifestyle habits, because your lifestyle is also very important. So I'll just be listing only 2 lifestyle habits. So the first one has to do with what you eat. So for you to get a healthy, glowing fair skin, eating fruits and vegetables is very important. Like, try as much as possible to be eating fruits and vegetables from time to time, because when you eat food substances like these, it is going to nourish your skin from the inside. That is, it will benefit both your health and it will benefit your skin. Like, if you see people's skin, like ladies' skin or even guys' skin, people that eat vegetables, consumes fruit so much, if you see their skin is always glowing and healthy. So which means bringing in fruits and vegetables is also very, very nice if you want to achieve a healthy and a glowing fair skin, or even a dark skin, caramel skin in general. Yes, fruit and vegetables is not just for fair skin, it is for everybody. And also, take enough water. The reason why taking enough water is so nice is because it will help you hydrate your skin. When your fair skin is looking dehydrated, your skin will be looking dull. Therefore, your skin will not be looking healthy. So which means taking enough water, it is very, very nice. So now that you know some skincare tips you can follow when it comes to achieving a healthy and a bright, glowing fair skin, let's move into the second agenda for today's video, which is the fair skin complexion kit. So for this fair skin complexion kit, I will just be talking about the face care products. Maybe in another video, I'll film another video where I will share good body care products that you can use for a glowing fair skin complexion. So you're going to start with the first step in our skincare routine, which is cleansing. And then this step, I am actually talking about morning skincare routine. Okay, so a very good cleanser that you can make use of, you can make use of the Boost Vitamin C Brightening Cleansing Gel. So this product contains vitamin C in it. This product also contains yuju extract in it. Now, vitamin C and this yuju extract that is found in this Boost cleanser to help you to brighten your skin, and it actually promises brightening benefits to the skin in as little as 14 days. Yes, and it is actually very, very nice. Like that 14 days is gift to you. You will definitely start seeing results, brightening results on your skin in as little as 14 days. Now, this boost cleanser is good for all skin types, including oily skin, acne prone skin, sensitive skin. Yeah, it is so nice for all skin type. Now, another good cleanser on my list is the Byoma creamy jelly cleanser. So this particular cleanser is a very, very nice cleanser that you can make use of for fair skin complexion. So this cleanser contains triceramide in it. That is, it contains 3 ceramides in it. Tri means 3, so it contains 3 ceramide complex in it. This cleanser also contains licorice root extract in it. This cleanser also contains green tea in it. Now, the combination of this product, like these ingredients I mentioned to you, are actually antioxidants. Now, coming to triceramides, that is ceramide. Just know what I'm talking about is ceramide. The reason why I'm putting triceramide there is because it contains 3 ceramides. So coming to ceramides on its own will help you to support your skin barrier and to also help you to repair your skin barrier. Now, coming to licorice root extract. So licorice root extract will help you with hyperpigmentation, to help you with scarring, and it will also help you to calm inflammation. Now, coming to green tea that is found in this cleanser. So green tea will help you to soothe and calm irritation on your skin, and green tea will also help you to improve your fair skin complexion. Now, this Byoma cleanser is also good for all skin types. Now, when you're done cleansing your skin, the next step is going in with toners. Okay, the next step is going in with toners. Now, when it comes to toners, like toners or essence, actually either you make use of a toner or you make use of an essence. As a matter of fact, they are both beneficial to the skin, so if possible, make use of the both of them, both toners and essence, for a brighter and a healthy fair skin. Now, I did not give you a physical exfoliant, and I know, like when it comes to toners, you can actually make use of toners that are also exfoliating on the skin. Take for example, we have the Pixi Glow toner. This particular toner here, this toner is actually exfoliating on the skin. If this toner works well for your skin, fine, you can make use of this toner. But this is like a good toner you can make use of that is also exfoliating on the skin. And then another good toner that you can make use of that will also help you to exfoliate your skin is the Cosrx AHA and BHA toner. So this is what this one actually looks like. So toner on its own will help you to balance your skin pH. Toner will help you hydrate your skin, and toners will also help your other skincare ingredients to work well into your skin. Now, serums also helps you to hydrate your skin, and serums will help you to improve your skin texture and your skin complexion. Now, another good toner you can make use of is the Acwell 5.5 Licorice Balancing Toner. So this is what I am actually talking about. This toner contains licorice water in it, and licorice water will help you to brighten your skin. This product also contains green tea in it, which will help you to calm inflammation and also reduce hyperpigmentation on your skin. Now, this toner is so nice for dark spots. That is, it will help you to reduce dark spots on your skin. This product will help you to remove impurities on your skin, and then this toner is also very nice for soothing irritated skin. Like I said, it contains green tea extract in it. Now, this toner is good for all skin types. Now, a good essence you can make use of is the Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. So this is what this product actually looks like, or you can make use of the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water. So any of this essence, you can make use of it. It will help you to hydrate your skin. It will also help you to improve your skin texture. It will help you to brighten your skin. So once you're done applying your toners and essence, the next step is going in with serum. So when it comes to serums, you can either make use of a vitamin C serum or you can make use of a niacinamide serum, depending on which one your skin accepts very well. Take for example, there are some people that when they make use of niacinamide serum, it is not good on their skin, but when they make use of vitamin C serum, it is so nice on their skin. Now, a good niacinamide serum that you can make use of, we have the Tiam vitamin B3 source niacinamide serum. So this is a very nice and effective brightening serum. This product contains 10% of niacinamide and 2% of arbutin in it. Now, both are niacinamide and arbutin are skin brightening ingredients, so making use of this serum will help you to brighten your skin. Now, this serum is good for all skin types. Now for vitamin C serum, a very nice vitamin C serum you can make use of is the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C face serum. So this is what this one actually looks like. This product is very nice. Like, this serum will help you to target and reduce dark spots on your skin. It will also help you to even out your skin complexion. Now this serum contains vitamin C in it. This serum contains ferulic acid. This serum also contains aloe vera in it. So this serum, it will help you to brighten your skin, and it will not be so irritating on your skin due to the presence of aloe vera in it. Like, aloe vera is a very nice ingredient that helps to calm and soothe skin irritation. So making use of this serum will be so nice even if you have a sensitive skin, and this is due to the presence of aloe vera that is found in this serum. So which means this serum is also good for all skin types. Now when you're done applying your serum, the next step is going in with a face cream. So you need a cream that will help you to moisturize your skin. You need a cream that will also help you to brighten and even out your skin complexion. Please do not go for a bleaching cream. You don't need bleaching cream. I have already explained this earlier, that using bleaching products will damage your fair skin. It will not give you a healthy fair skin. So a good face cream that you can make use of is the Boost Vitamin C Brightening Face Cream. So this product contains vitamin C in it, as the name obviously states. It is a very nice and effective vitamin C face cream that will help you reduce dark spots, hyperpigmentation on your skin. This face cream will help you to brighten and even out your natural fair skin complexion. Now, apart from vitamin C that is found in this Boost face cream, this face cream also contains shea butter in it, and it contains high hyaluronic acid in it. Now shea butter and high hyaluronic acid will help you to deeply moisturize and also hydrate your skin. So which means this product will not only be giving you brightening benefits to your fair skin, it will also help you to moisturize and hydrate your skin. Now this product is good for all skin types. Now when you're done applying your face cream, the next step is going in with a sunscreen. Now when you're going for sunscreen, like I've already mentioned earlier, that you should always make use of a sunscreen. So when picking a sunscreen, do not go for sunscreen that contains less than SPF 30. Okay, so good sunscreens that you can make use of that will not leave a white cast on your fair skin at all. The first sunscreen we have is the Bondi Sand Moisturizing Face. So this sunscreen contains an SPF of 50 in it. Now, also talking about sunscreen, I forgot to chip in this, and that is, please try to reapply your sunscreen. And I know that most times reapplying sunscreens can be very difficult. Now when it comes to difficulty with reapplying your sunscreen, the easy way is just invest in a sunscreen spray. Yes, there are a lot of good sunscreen spray that you can make use of, and a very nice sunscreen spray you can make use of is also from the Bondi Sand brand, and that is the Bondi Sand Sunscreen Spray. So this one also contains an SPF of 50 in it. So it's either you make use of their sunscreen, that is their normal sunscreen face, moisturizing face, or you make use of their sunscreen spray. It is very nice. It will not leave a white cast on your skin. It will absorb well into the skin. Now these sunscreens that I gave to you, like I said, it doesn't leave a white cast on the skin. It is good for fair skin. It will not sting your eyes. Okay, so none of this sunscreen is going to sting your eyes, and this sunscreen actually leaves a dewy or a glowy finish on the skin. That is, yes, these two Bondi Sand sunscreen I gave to you, it leaves a dewy and a glowy finish on the skin. So which means if you have an oily skin, you might not really like this sunscreen. Now when you have an oily skin, don't worry, it is not a must to make use of this sunscreen. You can actually make use of the Uncover Aloe Invisible Sunscreen. It's very nice for people that has oily, acne prone skin. That sunscreen is good for all skin types. Or if you want a sunscreen that will give you a matte finish on your skin, then you can make use of the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. So this Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen contains an SPF of 40 in it. So these are just good sunscreens that you can actually make use of for a healthy and a glowing fair skin. Now, just a tip when it comes to achieving a healthy and a glowing fair skin. It is very advisable that you try as much as possible to bring in anti-aging products. Take for example anti-aging face cream, that is using products that contains skincare ingredients like retinol in it. But when you're using all these anti-aging face creams, most especially those that contains retinol or retinoids in it, you only make use of this product in the night. Okay, make use of this product only at night. Now, talking about nice anti-aging face creams that you can make use of, I have actually filmed a video where I shared 5 effective anti-aging face cream that will help you to reverse the signs of premature aging, to help you get rid of fine lines, wrinkles, dull looking skin, and it will also brighten your skin. Yes, all this anti-aging face cream I mentioned in that video will also brighten your skin. So I'm going to leave the link of that video over here, so you can follow this link over here to check out that video. So loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.